Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into the world of Experience Cloud basics. Whether you are looking to connect better with your customers or streamline collaboration with your partners, this session will give you a solid foundation on how Salesforce helps you build those digital connections. So, what exactly is Experience Cloud? In simple terms, it is a digital experience platform that lets you build branded portals, websites, and apps that are directly connected to your Salesforce CRM data. You might remember it by its old name, Community Cloud. Because it is built right on top of the Salesforce platform, it allows you to give external users access to specific data and processes in a very secure and controlled environment. You might wonder, why use Salesforce for this instead of a traditional website builder? The answer lies in two words: integrated everything. The biggest advantage is that you can extend your existing business processes to partners and customers seamlessly. You can pull in data like orders or financial info from third-party providers, use the Salesforce CMS to manage your content, and use pre-made themes to ensure everything looks professional and matches your brand identity perfectly. Let's look at the tools that make this happen. First, there is the Experience Builder, a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that lets you build pages without writing any code. We also have specialized templates like Partner Central or Customer Service to give you a head start. Most importantly, it handles secure data sharing through Salesforce's robust security model, using roles and permissions to ensure that the right people see only the right information. The workflow for getting a site live is quite straightforward. You start by enabling digital experiences in your settings, then you pick a template that fits your goal. From there, you use the Experience Builder to customize the look and feel. Once the design is ready, you configure your users and security settings to decide who can log in, and finally, you hit publish to take your site live to the world. To make this more concrete, let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine a customer support portal where your clients can log their own support cases, track their status, and read help articles. This reduces the load on your support team. Or consider Partner Portal for a B2B company, where partners can manage their own sales leads and opportunities, collaborating with you in real time to close deals faster. As you plan your implementation, you'll need to consider the different license types available. These range from Customer Community for high-volume login access to Customer Community Plus and Partner Community, which offer more advanced sharing and reporting capabilities. Choosing the right one depends on how much access and power your external users actually need. That concludes our overview of Experience Cloud. By leveraging these tools, you can transform how you engage with everyone outside your organization. Thank you for your time and attention today.